Installing the pedals is part of the regular assembly on most exercise bicycles. Follow the instructions found in your user's manual to assemble your pedals. This video shows you proper installation techniques. Identify the left or right pedals by the L or R stamped onto the pedal axle or the sticker attached to the pedal. Apply a drop or two of serviceable thread locker to the pedal axle threads. This will prevent the pedal from backing out, particularly if you exercise while pedaling the bike in reverse. Start the pedal by hand to avoid damaging the threads in the pedal axle or crank arm. Tighten the pedal by hand as far as you can. The right pedal is a standard thread, so you will turn the pedal axle to the right to tighten it. The left pedal is reverse threaded, so you will turn the pedal axle to the left or counterclockwise to tighten it. Once the pedal is started, use a pedal wrench or a thin wrench to turn the pedal axle into the crank arm until tight. Using a thick wrench or an adjustable wrench may not allow the pedal to tighten entirely to the crank arm, as it could get in the way. A suitable tool may have been included with your bike. If necessary, follow the instructions in your user's manual for how to install your particular style of pedal straps.